What's up? Welcome back. In this module, we're going to be going deep diving into editing, and this section specifically is called trimming and chopping. It's important for us to trim down our clips to make them concise so that they can fit within a certain time frame, as well as edit them to be more engaging. So trimming and chopping is essentially just going to be cutting out the fluff, getting rid of any excess in our video so that it is a clean cut and we can move forward with our edits. The app that we'll be using to edit on our phones today is called CapCut. If you do not have this editing software, you'll need to download it right now. It is a free editing software, so no money up front, but there is a pro version that you can pay for and it gets a couple extra features, but you really don't need it. I don't even use it, and I am a video production specialist. Regardless, we're gonna go ahead and jump in. So we're welcome to this main page here. If you wanted to just start on a new project, we're gonna click that button, select our clip, which I know is this one right here, top left. So like I said, we're gonna be getting rid of all of the fluff, so we just wanna start skimming through our footage and finding where we nailed our line. You know how important it is to brand yourself, set yourself apart from the crowd, and stand out. All right, so I nailed that line, and when I want to make a cut or a trim, I will select my clip, like I just did. That's selecting each clip there. And then there's a button that says split. It's the first option there at the bottom. So I'll scroll back to the beginning where I first started going in. I'll split it there. And I know that I want to get rid of that first clip. So I select that clip, press delete. And now the footage starts with me going right into my point. If you're an entrepreneur, running your own business, or work anything in sales, then, but what I've seen time and time again is either individuals or businesses that are not branding on social media. So I nailed that one again. I'll do the same process here. So I'll get rid of that middle clip now because I split it on either side. Delete the middle clip. And out. Time and time again is So what we saw there is that I edited out a little too much, so I could always just grab the side of this clip now and pull it to expand it out. So I think about right there should be good. And stand out. But what I've seen time and time again is either we're essentially just going to repeat this process throughout our entire clip until we get a clean cut version of our footage. All right, so as you can see, oh, by the way, if you ever need to get a wider look at your timeline, you can just pinch and zoom in on your timeline like this. So I'll zoom all the way out so you can see these are all the cuts that I've made. So we've trimmed and chopped our footage. By the way, CapCut does this little end screen every time, so I usually delete that. So that is the basics of trimming and chopping. That's going to be your first process of editing every single time. I haven't thrown any music in. I haven't thrown any kind of effects in. We're gonna get into that in later videos, so I'll catch you there.